Copper Carver here, and today we're checking out these brand new XMcosy Solar Pathway Lights. This is a 4-pack that is fully solar powered, so there's no wiring at all. Seriously, you can put these 4 lights absolutely anywhere you want. You just stick them in the ground and they're good to go. Of course, they're rated IP65 waterproof, so they're built for rain and outdoor weather. Each light can hit up to 40 lumens, but you can also switch it down to 20 lumens if you want something softer. You've got 2 color options too at 2700 Kelvin, warm white for more of that cozy look, or 4500 Kelvin cool white if you want it brighter and cleaner. They've got a stainless steel top, real glass lens, and they automatically turn on at night and off during the day. If you're trying to upgrade a walkway, driveway, or backyard without running wires, this could be your super easy solution. Let's go ahead and open this thing up.
All right, so let's open this up and actually take a look at the lights inside here. I hope they are super awesome. Their last set that I got were really cool. All right, here. Okay, right off the top, we have a manual right here. And there is a little QR code that goes to their app right here. But from what I understand, you won't really need the app with this. You just kind of open it up and go on the inside and choose the brightness and if you want it on warm or neutral of a sense. Okay, right on top, we have the 4 lights. So here it is right here. I absolutely love the quality because this is glass, guys. This is real glass. This is not plastic. Right here is the solar panel right there. I love that it actually blends in with it, so it's not like super obvious or ugly or anything like that. So we got the 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then in here we also have the stakes. So what's really neat about these is if it's just like the other ones, woo, you kind of unsee that like a blade, and then you should just be able to pop it in there like that, and then you grab one of the lights and you just push it in, and it is that easy. And before you put it in the ground, you'll want to untwist that, where we have the light itself. So even though it says solar, from what I understand, these are rechargeable batteries that are in here. You will simply pull this out for the connection to happen. But let me show you right here. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't read it, this is a switch right here and here. The top switch is where you change the brightness level between white and warm, and 4500 Kelvin and 2700 Kelvin. I'll make sure to show the difference on what that looks like outside. And then brightness between high and low, and that is on each and every one of these. It's really nice to put on. You just kind of put and then spin, and it gets right back on. You know, I say real easy, but I didn't follow the blueprint. There it goes. And then it just gets on there. What is my absolute favorite thing about this is that no cord is required, so you can place these wherever you want. Heck, you don't even have to put these together. But anyways, let's put these outside and I'll show you what they actually look like.
I was very pleased with these lights. And honestly, I think my wife was more pleased than me. She got home and said, I absolutely love those lights. My favorite thing, honestly, about them being wireless is knowing I can take them anywhere. I'm going camping soon, and I think I'm going to take these to just go right outside the tent or just whatever. But, anyways, guys, I really appreciate y'all stopping by. And I do not have a link in the profile description right now because they're actually unreleased, but they released this month of March 2026.